What you never thought was possible is finally within your reach. Silver Loon Herb, an extraordinary habitat that offers you joy with the magic of sun, moon, stars, all the planets and heavenly bodies. To sum up, the whole universe blended into daily life. Silver Loon Herb is a project by Sunshine Infra Heights Private Limited and Greystone Infra LLP, an amalgamation of TCDL and Zest Buildwell. Tulsiani Group, a respected name in real estate from the last 1 decade, with more than 20 completed residential and commercial projects in Allahabad and Lucknow. Tulsiani Group is now coming to Meerut. Silver Loon Herb, strategically located at National Highway 58, which is the most developed hub of Meerut, whilst to have all the opportunities in its vicinity, such as medical colleges, higher secondary education, engineering colleges, theatre, and other required amenities. Inside Silver Loon Herb, you can find astonishing 130-acre fully self-sustained township with all ultra-modern amenities and features. At Silver Loon Herb, we ensure that you compromise neither on luxury nor on your peace of mind. Live among flowers, fountains, lush green gardens in out-of-this-world environment without having to pay the world for it. With bioswale garden, lotus pond, butterfly garden, forest grove, rainwater harvesting, we ensure right balance between human and the environment. Combining the best of construction and creativity, the township offers various types of living lifestyles. With dedicated parking, fully secured gated complex, 70% open and green area, water bodies, extensive landscaping, 24/7 power backup, Wi-Fi enabled campus, makes Silver Loon Herb a perfect place to relish the ease of life. The villas are beautifully designed and crafted for all luxury and lavish lifestyle. 4 sprawling bedrooms, each appointed with private balconies, with unbeatable construction standards, elegant interiors, modern specifications. Your dream home that has been designed to enrich your lifestyle. The independent floors gives you ample of parking space and lush green bioswale garden in the backyard with jogging track. The interiors are built with modern lifestyle in mind. The apartments here make optimum utilization of space. Every apartment comes with standard fittings like wooden flooring in master bedroom, vitrified tiles, imported marbles, and modern kitchen design. Every room is spacious and ventilated with wide balconies. Each home is designed to celebrate light and space. Beautifully appointed interiors. Each independent floor is trended by the beauty of wide open sky and lush green outdoors. The exclusive Moon Court Garden at the center of the township shows the grandness and beauty of Silver Loon Herb. Enjoy 10,000 square feet of pure leisure at our exclusive state-of-the-art clubhouse, where you can relax in swimming pool with your kids too, or get your body a warm feeling at steam sauna. With ultra-modern gymnasium and sports facilities, your love to stay fit will remain forever. The clubhouse has also a banquet with rooms and cafe house. Our commercial arcade is best suitable for apparels, groceries, ATMs, electronics, and much more within your reach. Spacious children's play area with exciting and safe playing equipment for your kids. The extensive landscape designs, butterfly gardens, and forest grove always bring you close to nature and helps relax your soul and body. So come and experience the luxury, comfort, and grandness you never had before in your life.